Hello.
Hi. Come on in. Well, what did we do? We made our way...
Look at that one.
Us.
Back onto movie making. Yes, we did actually make a movie finally after being at home.
We worked our way back to Bunderberg with the Down Under Rally crew.
John and Leanne, Down Under Rally, great setup. Unfortunately we couldn't hang around for the welcome week because we had a date at Signature Yachts. Boatworks. And then we took off and started heading south on our way back here. And the video ends in Coffs Harbour where we had a squeeze around on the mountain bikes for the day.
Went for a little cruise on the bikes. Was the wind a bit chilly?
Boom. Sand here, so it's so close to the rock. Normally this has all got like beach. Number 19 is out. Buy an anchor, help them buy a new boat. Leave a trace, leave your boat name in with a... Okay. In the cruiser's cave. You been nutriboarding again?
When you come to the cruising Queensland and cruising New South Wales and Tasmania,
headed north on Mills Avenue and listen to the engine roar. A girl named Kathy wants a little of my time. 6 cylinders underneath the hood, crashing and kicking. Ah, listen to the engine whine. I am gonna make it through this year. If it kills me, I am gonna make it through this year.
Where are we going?
We are just following the Noosa Coast Guard in. We left Bunderberg last night and had a pretty shit tack out around Fraser Island. Didn't think we'd make it here for the high tide at all. But then had an epic run overnight where we averaged around 11 knots through the first half of it, and then it dropped down to 10-ish by this morning, but just flew. So we're here just 8:30 high tide, and we'll see if we can sneak across the barway and not run aground.
If it kills me.
That as well.
yeah, I will.
So our spare of the moment crew member Bronk jumped off in Noosa to go his own way after spending 2 weeks with Team Rome. Cheers, Bronk.
Games in a drunken haze. I was 17 years young. Hurt my knuckles punching the machines. The taste of Scotch rich on my tongue.
Hey guys, so we're sneaking up the river towards behind the Gold Coast towards Boatworks, and there's a power line crossing the river which is apparently 20.3 metres at its lowest point. Our mast's about 20.6 metres. It's got a bit of a belly in it and it's low tide, so we just chucked Michael and Liss in the dinghy to have a look and we'll see if we can get under it.
Bitter and clean, locking eyes, holding hands, twin high maintenance machines. I am gonna make it through this year.
I literally held my breath.
Once you look at it from out in the dinghy, we're only about half the height.
I am gonna make it through this year. If it kills me, I drove home
see some swans?
Shallow
pelicans.
Very shallow water and some...
Currently it's 1.9 metres deep. 1.8, 1.7.
When do you start to worry? One?
If it gets under 1, I get a bit worried.
So what just happened?
So we just ran aground a little bit. Good thing about Rome is we run the dagger boards a bit deeper than the rudders. So we just stuck the dagger boards into some mud, pulled them up, backed off a bit, and we are okay for the moment. We're in 6 metres right next to where it came up to
0.5. Me and Liss just had to be ballast at the front of the boat to get the weight forward to try and get it back off the sand.
I am gonna make it through this year if it kills me.
We just got into the boatworks last night. We're going to get lifted out in about 20 minutes and up to Craig at Signature Yacht. Maintenance period. Right, back to reality. Nearly everyone always asks what's gone wrong with the boat. We were out in Pacific and the first thing I started getting a bit concerned about was the through holes. Starting to get some rust streaks coming out of our stainless fittings. And then progressively over the season our solar panels started failing. We're down to 300 watt out of our 1000 watt. We hit a little log and put a little dent in the port bow, and then just when we were coming home we was having a really good session. I was hand steering and managed to explode this foot block in our mechanical steering system. That and us sort of all needing to go back to work, we decided to come back to Oz and get squared away. And so yeah, we're ever improving and ever tidying up Rome and making it more efficient and the best boat we can be.
And that's rust, not poop. See you, Holly and Andy! Sad to say goodbye. Have fun in Tassie.
Bye, Rome.
Bye, Rome. Wipe a tear away.
Shit, party's over.
Rome is going to be very quiet. Bye.
On Facebook, is it?
Yeah.
Don't know.
Working your magic.
No, I don't go on Facebook.
Oh, come on, man.
In a holler, but it's happened here. The deeper waters in the depth below. Brighter colors that are plain and clear. Warmer summers than the ones I know. Been a sucker for the kingdom leader, but now the kingdom is the one I roam. Thicker layers from a million fevers that affected all the light that glowed. So grab a hold, grab a hold, grab a hold to what it is you believe it to be. Grab a hold, grab a hold, grab a hold. Find the pressure. We'll take a lead and let go. 'Cause it can only be you to set your words on fire. It can only be you, my love. It can only be you. Write pages, building bridges higher. It can only be you, my love. Was getting fickle on a million flavors, to which none of them you liked at all. Followed the leader for a good behavior. The kingdom leader never made a call. Say goodbye and walk away with wisdom, and build a kingdom that you call your own. Hold a light over what truly matters, cover over all the cracks below. So grab a hold, grab a hold, grab a hold on to what it is you believe it to be. Grab a hold, grab a hold, grab a hold. Find the pressure, well take a lead and let go. Cause it can only be you to set your words on fire. It can only be you, my love. It can only be you. Write pages, building bridges higher. It can only be you.
Thanks heaps, mate. Really appreciate your help.
Thank you.
And yeah, Rome's better than ever and sorted us out well and truly with our little skin fitting issue there. Yeah, cheers to you all the crew.
Good on you. Thank you. Come again soon.
Thanks for looking after us.
Have a good trip back. See ya.
Yeah, thanks.
See you guys.
Stay in touch. So Michael and I just spent the night in Bums Bay, and there was a lot of yachts in there, but we found a little spot way up the back and it was sheltered and pretty good spot.
Southbound. I don't think you see that many yachts for, I don't know, at least 6 months.
Big city life right in the Gold Coast, and we're just about to head south and go to sea.
It can only be you, my love.
Bit of a squall, big time. We've had up to 35, bit overnights and hissing down with rain.
And not forecast.
Well, we were running on a 30 knot northerly, not a 35 knot southwesterly. There is a change forecast, but we'll see. Might have to run before it and head back up the coast, find somewhere else. I don't know whether we're going to make it down to Coffs Harbour. We've got another 40 mile to go. After our stormy night, we were rewarded with a beautifully tranquil morning and literally just floated our way into Coffs Harbour.
I woke up this morning, didn't recognize the man in the mirror. Then I laughed and I said, oh silly me, that's just me. Then I proceeded to brush some stranger's teeth, but they were my teeth, and I was weightless, just quivering like some leaf come in the window of a restroom. I couldn't tell you what the hell it was supposed to mean, but it was a Monday, no Tuesday, no Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Then Saturday came around and I said, who's this stupid clown blocking the bathroom sink? Just like all I want is to just have fun, live my life like the son of a gun. I could be 1,000 miles away, but still mean what I say.
We didn't have a whole lot of time to check out Coffs Harbour, but the best way to see it was on our bikes. The mountain bikes allow us to have a really good look around. You wouldn't be able to do that if you were just checking it out on foot.
Proceeded to not comb some stranger's hair.